Nadler-Tushman congruence model for organization design. Organizational success depends on how well different components work together. The Nadler-Tushman congruence model provides a structured approach to evaluating alignment between an organization's strategy, processes, and people. This model helps leaders identify inefficiencies, improve collaboration, and optimize performance. In this lesson, we will break down the Nadler-Tushman congruence model and explore how to apply it to organizational design. What is the Nadler-Tushman congruence model? Developed by David Nadler and Michael Tushman, this model is based on the principle that organizational effectiveness is achieved when key elements are in alignment. It evaluates four primary components. 1. Work, the tasks and activities performed. 2. People, employees' skills and competencies. 3. Structure, the formal organization, hierarchy, and workflows. 4. Culture, the informal norms, values, and behaviors. By assessing how these components interact, businesses can identify misalignments and implement strategic changes to enhance efficiency and productivity. The four components of the congruence model. 1. Work, understanding tasks and activities. What kind of work is being performed? Are tasks designed efficiently and aligned with strategy? Example, a software company needs agile teams for rapid development. People, employee skills and competencies. Are employees equipped with the right skills? How well do teams collaborate and adapt? Example, a company shifting to digital transformation must train staff in new technologies. Structure, how the organization is designed. Is the hierarchy supporting decision-making and collaboration? Does the structure allow for flexibility and innovation? Example, a rigid structure may slow down innovation, while a decentralized approach can foster creativity. 4. Culture, the unwritten rules and values. What behaviors and mindsets shape decision-making? Does the company culture align with its strategy and goals? Example, a startup with a risk-taking culture thrives on rapid experimentation, while a traditional firm may prioritize stability. Applying the Nadler-Tushman model to organizational design. 1. Diagnosing misalignment. Are employees struggling to perform their work efficiently? Do team dynamics conflict with the organization's structure? Are cultural values misaligned with strategic goals? Nudge 2. Aligning components for better performance. Adjust work processes to match employee strengths. Restructure teams to enhance collaboration and agility. Reinforce company values through leadership and training programs. Monitoring and adapting over time. Use feedback mechanisms to identify ongoing challenges. Continuously refine processes and structures to maintain congruence. Case studies the congruence model in action. Aligning work, people, and culture. Work shifted from DVD rentals to streaming services. People hired top tech talent and empowered decision-making. Structure, agile teams supported rapid innovation. Culture emphasized accountability and creative freedom. Streamlining structure for efficiency. Work implemented lean manufacturing techniques. People invested in continuous employee training. Structure flattened hierarchy to encourage problem solving. Culture fostered a culture of continuous improvement. Final thoughts. The Nadler-Tushman congruence model helps businesses evaluate and optimize alignment between work, people, structure, and culture. By continuously assessing these components, organizations can build more adaptable, high-performing, and resilient structures. A well-aligned organization is better equipped to respond to market changes, improve efficiency, and drive long-term success. In the next lesson, we will explore the impact of digital transformation on organizational design and how companies can adapt to new technologies.